Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to see how to insert the image in presentation. Already I have explained you about creating table, working with slides and introduction to presentation. Okay, so you can go to my channel Rachna Jadhav and subscribe my channel so you can get the notification every time. Okay, so press the bell icon. Okay, and like and comment to banta hai please. So yes, let us start. So we will go for insert. Insert में जाकर you will go for pictures. You can see over here the images group. Okay, और उसमें आपको जाना है pictures में. In that there are two options. आपके पास दो options है, this device and online pictures. If you are going for this device, then yes, we are having the option C drives. इसमें अगर आपके पास दो program files है, then you will go with 86. And in that Microsoft Office. Okay, now many of the people are not having clipart, तो यही एक option है, clipart में जाना है. And yes, you can get it from here the pictures. आपको यहाँ से pictures मिल जाएंगे. You can go for JPEG files, तो .jp लिखोगे तो बहुत सारी JPEG files आपके सामने आ जाएगी. You can get it JPEG files from there. Okay, and you can insert it. Okay, this is the one way, and the next way, that is by online. Okay, तो आप क्या करेंगे, you will go with the new slide and in that insert pictures, online pictures. Okay, फिर उसमें आप search करोगे, right? You will search for it. Like here I am just going with one image of apple, उसे insert कर दिया, and yes, you can get the picture from here. Okay, ये भी एक option आपके पास है. Right, after getting the image, yes, you will get it over here one tab. आपके पास एक tab आएगा, right? So I'll just maximize it. You can see here the format tab. Format tab आएगा, and with that you can move the image from one place to another. As I can do it. यहाँ से यहाँ आपको move करना है. You can increase or decrease the size from the edges. Okay, height या फिर बाद में width. And if you want to go for both, तो आप यहाँ ये corner पे आ जाएंगे, and then yes, you can do both the things. Okay, even you can rotate the image. You will see over here the rotation, right? तो आपको अगर collage बनाना है, you want to make a collage over here, then you can make a collage over here with the rotation. Okay, we also have the rotation. हमारे पास rotation का option यहाँ भी है, right? So we'll just go for the straight, and yes, you can see here the rotation. आपको यहाँ मिल ही रहा है rotations. Flip horizontal, flip vertical. Okay, resizing. आपको resize तो मैंने समझा ही दिया है. Here also, and from here also you can resize it. अगर आपको चाहिए कि सारे shapes, सारे images एक ही size के हो, तो आप कर सकते हो by doing over here. Okay, फिर बाद में दूसरा image लिया, and that also you want to give the same size, तो आप वो यहाँ select कर सकते हो. Okay, then you can even rearrange that thing. आप उसे रीअरेंज भी कर सकते हो. लाइक यस, मैं एक टेक्स्ट लिख रही हूँ. I'll write over here one text. Okay, I'm writing over here. ठीक है, अगर आपको लिखना है तो आप लिख भी सकते हो on that. Okay, so that is also a thing that you can do. Okay, so this way you can insert the image and with that the text also. आपको text उसमें डालना है तो text भी डाल सकते हो. Okay, now inserting the shapes. अब shapes कैसा हम insert करेंगे, तो चलो next we will go for the new slide. Everyone know Control M, right? And I will take one layout blank. I have explained that time also about the smart art. तो smart art में जैसे shapes use करते हो, वैसे ही आप यहाँ भी use कर सकते हो. You can use it the shapes as a smart art और infographic अगर आपको बनाना है. Yes, you can make it. Here we will select some of the. अगर आपको कोई scenery भी create करनी है, yes, you can create a scenery over here by going for the cloud. Okay, मैंने यहाँ cloud ले लिया. ऐसा ही दूसरा cloud भी मुझे चाहिए. Yes, I will go with control key. Okay, and then I want a sun over there. मैं सन ले सकती हूँ. सन I can take it from here. You can see here many of the options are available, right? So yes, you can take any of the sun. ओके, ये सन ले लिया मैंने. या फिर मैं दूसरा भी कोई शेप ले सकती हूँ. आई जस्ट गो फॉर शेप्स. डिफरेंट शेप्स है हमारे पास. Different shapes are there which you can use it. Okay, so yes, you can take the sun. I will take the hill. मैं यहाँ hill ले लेती हूँ. right, तो मैं यहाँ hills के लिए I want to show rain over there, तो मैं उसके लिए भी rain का भी effect ले सकते हैं. right, so yes, this way. And you can change the color. आप उसमें color change कर सकते हो. like I want brown. okay, तो मैं brown color उसमें डाल सकती हूँ. and yes, you can make it the whole picture of it. आप यहाँ sun के लिए सिर्फ circle भी ले सकते हो. you can take a circle and also you can do the grouping कैसे करेंगे वो भी मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. I have taken a sun. अब मुझे sun पीछे ले जाना है. then yes, send backward, send to back, sorry. okay, and yes, this way you can create a scene and you can make stories with that. okay, you can select it and do the grouping. अब कैसे grouping करेंगे? first of all, you will use the shift key and by that you have selected the whole thing and now you can go with the group. यानी ये अभी साथ में रहेगा. okay, so wherever you will move it will be moved together by grouping. आप ungroup भी कर सकते हो. how you can ungroup it? देखो ये means control G already we have done. okay, again we will ungroup it. you can see the shortcut is given over there. group, for that control G and control U is for ungroup. okay, next is grouping. तो हमने देख लिया multiple objects का. with that if you want to take the text also तो आप text को भी ले सकते हो. even you can arrange it that things. okay, drawing करना है आप drawing कर सकते हो. यहाँ आपको दिख रहा होगा. you can use it over here, the curve lines to draw it. right, you can draw it. okay, आप draw कर सकते हो अपने आप से खुद से if you want to draw it that things. okay, hope you all have understand that how to use the pictures and shapes and do the grouping of it. thank you. please like, share and subscribe my channel.